Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Human headphones. Now, full disclaimer, I do not support these headphones because they are not that good, and it kind of defeats the purpose of you watching this video, but either way, I'll do an unboxing for it. So on the sides, they have a couple pictures of people on there, and then on this side, it says your music, your life, your voice, and pretty much talks about what is going on with these. And then on the top, it says get the most out of your headphones with the Human app, which is pretty interesting that they actually have that. Then on the bottom, you have serial numbers and contents and stuff like that, but let's get this opened. And here we have the headphones. It looks like it's strapped in. I think this is it. Go ahead, put them on. Okay, so let's take these out and let's put them to the side just for a second. And this kind of tells you how to hook them onto your ears, which is pretty useful. And then we have a fit guide, quick start, and safety guide. And it tells us about the Human app again. Well, let's put this away, and this looks like an induction charger. That's pretty cool. Has 5 pins on each side. And USB-C. That's pretty interesting. Take this out. So much in here. And then this looks like the carrying case, I guess. Put that to the side. And then we have a power brick. It looks like it's 15 watts, which makes sense. Then we have these different Fitment attachment pads, which is pretty soft, actually. There's also an ear thing, but I didn't record that for some reason. Okay, so let's put this all to the side and check out these headphones. So, oh wow, so it's stuck by magnets. They're on and ready to pair. Interesting. So let's take this off and check out these Fitment pads. See, there are hooks. Interesting. Let's put that back and take this stuff off. So I guess they're ready to pair, obviously. This is interesting, this little wing looking thing. Huh. The outside of this is really soft. That's a nice material that they used. Okay, so let's open up the Bluetooth, connect to the Human headphones. And yeah, that's not too bad. Let's try and play some music. Obviously you won't be able to hear it, but they seem to work pretty good. I'm not too sure how the controls work. Okay, I just paused and then triggered the assistant. Okay, yeah, I don't know how these work. I'll have to look that up, but... And then here's the charger. It actually fits pretty nice on the charger. It's pretty cool. And then let's take out this case, see how that fits. That's pretty cool too. It kind of seems like a clam. I don't know. It's interesting. So let's put all these back together. I'm going to check these out and review them. But like I said, I am still going to review these, but I did not have a good experience with the company Human, and I will tell you guys about that in a later video. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. This is a little bit different from what I normally do. I normally don't bash companies like this, but I can't tell you guys to support this. But either way, my review video will be coming out soon. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRWR, and feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Subscribe to my channel so you can see unboxing videos and other review videos, as well as repair videos. And hit that bell button so then YouTube reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching.